Welcoming to our show an individual from Logan, Utah. His name is Brad Worston, and he's flown one of the world's most impressive.
It takes the effort of 5,100 maintenance and support personnel.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch closely as the fight continues. As the infantry close with the enemy, they become pinned down. Countries like Romania, Morocco, and Cambodia. As always, we appreciate your support and thank you for joining us today. If you like what you've seen, be sure to visit our many static displays to see these modern marvels of military machinery up close and ask our recruiters how you can be a part of our team.
Let's put our hands together for the men and women of your Idaho Army and Air National Guards.